Signs of Allah. Samar and Munir are friends. Each of them has a big farm. Munir visited his friend Samar. And when it was prayer time, Samar went to pray, while Munir did not pray and said,
"How can I pray to Allah while I cannot see Him?"
The next morning, Munir called his friend Samar and told him that a fox had entered his farm last night while he was sleeping and ate 2 chickens. Samar said,
"How did you know it was a fox that entered your farm and ate the 2 chickens while you did not see the fox doing that?"
Munir smiled and said,
"Look at the fox paw prints. They are everywhere. These signs show that it was a fox that entered my farm at night and ate the 2 chickens."
Samar said,
"And everything around us are signs that Allah is there and He exists."
The sun, the moon, the water, the trees, the animals, the birds, and the fish are all signs that Allah is there and He exists.
Even though we cannot see Him, we can see signs of His existence everywhere and in everything.
أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت.
Do they not look at the camels? How are they created?